Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let us solve this problem for mixture and alligation topic for CAT 2026. The problem says two varieties of rice are mixed in the proportion of 3:4 and the mixture is sold at rupees 28 per kg, that too at 40% profit. Okay, if the second variety of rice costs 3 more rupees than the first variety of rice, find the cost price of the first variety of rice. Okay, so this is a very classic problem. Why cat loves these kind of problems is because this is using two topics. First is mixture alligations and second is profit loss. Okay, so both of these topics would be used in this problem. That is why cat generally loves questions like these, and you'll get a lot of questions of these kind in your examination. So let's solve this question. I'll request you to pause this video and solve it on your own first. Then you can watch this video and match your answer. Okay. So let me solve it with a very simple trick that I have taught you in the previous video. So I also recommend you to watch our previous video because I have used a very simple trick there. I have thought about that. I have already given you a lecture on how you can use that trick to easily solve such questions. So let us jump to the question directly. So for this, what has been given to us, let's write it. So it says two varieties of rice. Let's say this is R1 and we have R2. They are mixed in the ratios 3:4. This is their quantities and their price. Let me write, this is their quantity and their price. So let's say second variety of rice. Okay, so if this is sold for X rupees, then this is sold for X plus 3 rupees. Okay, this is X rupees. Okay, so this has been given to us, and it is also given that the mixture R1 R2 mixture is sold at selling price of this is 28 rupees per kg, that too at 40% 40% profit. Okay, 40% profit. So this is the profit margin. Now we need to find the cost price of the first variety of this. Okay, so to find the cost price, first we'll have to find the cost price of this mixture, right? Which is very simple. So for this, we know that the selling price, I'll write cost price, selling price. So this is a very simple trick. If let's say the cost price is 28 rupees per kg, selling price let's say is, cost price is let's say C, selling price is 28 rupees per kg. We're selling at a profit of, right, profit is 40%. 40% profit. Now this 40 can also be written as 40 by 100. If I cancel this, I get 2 by 5, right? So 2 by 5 profit. Now this 2 by 5, I can write it as N by D, where N is 2 and D is 5. So a very simple trick is, if let's say going up, we have a 2 by 5 increment, N by D increment, then while going down, this increment would be N upon N plus D. So in this case, it would be 2 upon 2 plus 5, which is 2 by 7. This is the loss that we'll have to incur if in case we are going down from this price. Okay, this is a very simple trick that you can use to find cost price and selling price, right? So by this, what I'm saying is cost price would be 28 times, this is the multiplying factor. So since we are going down, so we'll write 1 minus 2 by 7. Okay, I hope you understood what I have done. 2 by 7 is this, the going down multiplication factor, and I have written 2 by 7 over here. So solving this, I'll get cost price of the mixture to be 20 rupees. Right, if I solve this, I'll get 20 rupees. So that is my cost price of the mixture. Now I have the cost price. I know in which ratios these mixtures are being mixed and what is the exact difference between the cost price of these individual varieties. So I can easily solve it now. I have rice 1 over here. I'll use the alligation process now. Rice 1 here, rice 2 here. They are mixed in 3:4 ratio, right? And their selling prices, their cost price is 20. The mixture cost price is 20. R1 was at X rupees, right? And this is at X plus 3. So I know I have to subtract this. This is the bigger value, so I have to subtract x plus 3 minus 20. I get x minus 17, and over here I get 20 minus x. Right, so what I get? 3 by 4 is x minus 17 upon 20 minus x. So if I start solving this, I get I'll multiply this, so 2360 minus 3x is equals to 4x minus 4 into 17 is 68, right? Yeah, it's 68. So this one will go over here. I'll get 7x is equal to 128, right? So x, which is the selling price of, sorry, the cost price of the first variety, is 128 by 7 rupees. This is our answer. So this is a very simple and easy question for CAT 2026. You can practice this. I hope this was clearly understandable by everyone. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.